Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make a vegan chicken gyro. Let's get started. For our chicken substitute, we will be using soy-free tofu. So I pretty much cut these poke style, aka cube style. Obviously, as you can see, it kind of fell apart, so they're not all the same size. But in general, we have some tofu cubes here. And now we're going to make the marinade for our gyro. I am going to air fry this tofu. So we're going to start off by using some avocado oil. Even if you cook it, you would still use some sort of oil. I got some lemon juice from the farmer's market, but of course you can squeeze your own. I'm going to do about a tablespoon. We're going to put in some thyme, some cumin, some smoked paprika, some coriander, some fresh minced garlic. This is 1 tablespoon. And because we're going for chicken flavor, I'm going to put in one of my favorite chicken seasonings, some kickin' chicken. You can use poultry seasoning, but I already have this. Okay, I bought it today, but that's not, I still already got it. Salt is the first ingredient in here, so I'm not going to add any salt or pepper. Now I'm going to shake this all up. Alright, I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then we'll toss it in the air fryer. Of course, you cannot make a gyro without homemade tzatziki sauce. And who's the star? Cucumbers, okay? If you're thinking this is a homegrown cucumber, it is. It's actually from one of my clients. They gave it to me from their garden, so let's use it. We're just going to slice it down and grate it. Now, y'all know I like slicing down the sides. I don't know, for me, it just opens up more of the flavor for the cucumber. And I am definitely going to try this as well. Ooh, look at them seeds. I gotta save these. I gotta save these seeds. Taking these seeds out. Is it too late to plant cucumber? I don't care. You're getting planted. I don't understand why people don't try gardening. Look at that. Look how much you can get from just one slice. And how many more you can still try. Like, come on, y'all. Put it in the dirt. Put the seeds in the dirt and try. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Ooh, you can definitely tell it's not store-bought. Oh, yeah. So good. No salt, no pepper. So good. We're going to take our cheese grater and run our cucumber right on through. This is going to take a minute, so I'm just going to spare y'all watching this. Now we're going to take our cheesecloth and squeeze out the cucumber water. I don't know if I should have took the seeds out, but I didn't, so oh well. Here we are. Now I'm going to add in a ½ tablespoon of garlic. Y'all should match this up a little bit better than me, but y'all know me. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm sorry. I'm the lazy chef, but my food be busting. But I am lazy, okay? Now we're going to take about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now we're going to add in some dill. Fresh would obviously be better, but I don't have any. I'm going to just use the rest of this, I think that's about a teaspoon. Gonna add a cup of vegan mayo. I actually only added about ½ cup. I want to stir first and see if I want to stop right here. I'm gonna mix this all together. If we want to add the whole cup, we can. I'm glad I followed my instincts. I think I'm good with that. Usually you would also add in some olive oil, but again, this is the consistency. I want like a chunky sauce, so I'm not gonna add any olive oil in. Now we're gonna add in some salt and pepper, and then we'll give it a taste. Y'all know I don't like tasting sauces by itself, so I got a little lettuce in my hand, okay? We're gonna try it out. Smile at it. That is so good. Alright, it's been way past 20 minutes, but I didn't want the air fryer to be too loud while we made our tzatziki sauce. So let's put this in the fridge and let's fry this up. Here is the flatbread we're using for our pita wrap. It is certified vegan. I got this from Sprouts in case anybody's interested. Y'all, for some reason I forgot to say out loud that now we're going to prepare our topping. So here I am just cutting up a purple onion and also a red tomato just to go in our gyro. Let's build our chicken gyro. Y'all know I don't know how to fold. Y'all know I don't know how to fold. Y'all just came here to laugh. That's okay. Look, y'all know I don't know how to fold this. Just let's eat it. Y'all, how I'm gonna do the thumbnail? I really should have thought about this. Did they just wrap it in aluminum? How I'm gonna do the thumbnail? Y'all seen it. I don't know how to roll it. Go to a professional. I am a home chef that makes delicious food, okay? You ain't never came to me for aesthetics. Okay. Anyway, all right, here we go. Smile at it. Yeah, that was so good. Every flavor is doing what needs to be done. The tzatziki, the chicken, the lettuce, I mean the garnishes. Oh my, listen. Oh my gosh, hold on, I gotta take another bite. I mean, I'm gonna eat the whole thing, but I definitely gotta take another bite. Y'all make this for sure. Okay, go. Me and her need some alone time. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and please subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Y'all, the next day I had this with some vegan feta. Oh my god, I took the flavor up just another notch. You don't need it, so don't run out and buy it if you don't already have it. But if you already got some vegan feta, add it to your gyro.